Welcome to another Tuesday night taste test of Big Lee's Corner. And we're on episode 3 of my Cheez-It taste test series. And this is the only one that's not a duos flavor. Cheese pizza flavor. I'll admit, I don't know if they ever made a pizza flavor I had before. Clyde and Angel still going at it. Okay, do you ever had the combos pizza flavor? It kind of tastes like that kind of pizza cheese inside the combos. I'd say mostly compare it to that. As does have a strong flavor to it, so took me a moment to remember what that flavor was. So hell yeah, do you like the combos, the cheese pizza combos? I definitely recommend trying this. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Big Lee's Corner, Tuesday night taste test. I'll try to have a nice day. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.